Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up and use Wi-Fi hotspot on Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to set up and use your Wi-Fi hotspots, let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for more connections. Then select hotspot. Here Wi-Fi hotspot, select it. And here you can easily enable and disable your Wi-Fi hotspot. Here's the hotspot name. You can easily edit it if you want. Here's your hotspot password. Here's your one type mobile data usage limit. You can easily limit your mobile data usage via your hotspot. And here's the maximum number of connection. You can easily manage your maximum number of connection at a time. So that's how you can easily set up and use your Wi-Fi hotspot on your Y200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.